Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how can you automate your trades with the help of Fyers. Fyers have a beautiful tool so where you can create your automation workflows, where you can trigger your entries without you clicking on buy button, where you can trigger your exit orders without you clicking on sell button. Okay, all these things can be achieved with the help of Fyers Automate. So you just log into Fyers. In Fyers, you will have a section, automate section, where you can go into a profile. Within your profile, you will have an automate section. Once you click on that automate section, you will land here. So similar to this workflow, suppose if you have a strategy called range breakout strategy. So if you wanted to create a workflow for range breakout strategy, so you can create using with the help of Fyers. So in Fyers, you just land onto this dashboard. So you can just click on create automation. When you click on create automation, you will get here triggers, actions, conditions. So and you'll also get a start button here. So in this start button, you just have to go click on edit, and here instead of manual, you can just click on daily. Here I'm creating an automation workflow for Nifty range breakout. Let's assume we will watch Nifty for first 20 minutes and we have to mark that range of first 20 minutes. Whichever side it gives breakout, so our trade should be triggered either in options, either in futures, our trade should be triggered. So here I'm selecting trigger. So I'll just go from starting again. Here you will see an empty screen like this when you click on create new automation. So on the start, you just have to come here. You just have to go into trigger daily at what time your automation should start. So you have to just select 9:15. So from 9:15 a.m. here you'll have AM, PM. You just have to toggle this. I've selected AM and I'm just clicking on schedule. So at 9:15 my automation workflow will start. So again, the condition I have to give. So I'm going into the conditions. I'm clicking on any, and I will link it here. Okay, at 9:15, any of my condition, like as I said, Nifty range from 9:15 to 9:35 range, it have to check after 9:35 whichever side it gives breakout. Suppose if it is giving breakout upside of that range, then a buy order should be triggered. I wanted to buy one future. In case if price is going below that range, 9:15 to 9:35 range, a sell order should be triggered. I wanted to sell a future. So for this, I'm creating a workflow. So now you have selected a condition any here. So and you have linked it. So how you will be linking? So I'll just go here, delete this. You'll just drag this and drop it here, so that your start is linked to this any condition now. Within this, you are seeing a plus sign. You will just have to click on this plus sign. Again, what we have to select? Range breakout, time range breakout, date range breakout, previous time range breakout. You have different things. So I'm just selecting time range breakout. So in this, I will just go click on edit. So what is the time? From which time it have to see? From 9:15, 09:15. Again, it is PM here. You select AM to 9:35, 09:35. So here again from PM to AM I am selecting. So which symbol I wanted to select? I wanted to select Nifty 50. So you can type Nifty 50 here. So when you type Nifty, you get Nifty 50. Either Nifty 50 or any stock you can type. Suppose here I am typing TCS. You'll get TCS. So any stock you can type. Any stock, any index you wanted to select, you can select that. So I'm selecting Nifty 50 and confirmation time frame. So I am looking for first four candles, 9:15 to 9:35 on 5 minutes time frame. So I am selecting 5 minutes. Breakout direction, up, down. So when it goes up, it have to check the condition when it goes up for the first time. So I'm just clicking on apply. So now I have selected the up condition. So in similar way, I have to select the down condition. Again, click on this plus symbol, go here, time range breakout, click on this edit. Again, here you select time 09:15 from PM to AM. Again, go here, select your time 09:35. Again, here symbol I am selecting Nifty 50. And again, I am selecting confirmation time frame 5 minutes. Now, instead of up, I am keeping down. So it will check at 9:15. This automation workflow will run and it will check this condition. After 9:15 to 9:35, once range is created, whichever side it goes, if it goes up, it will come and execute this condition. Okay, if it goes down, it will come and execute this condition. So I'm selecting apply here. So now if you see, so we have up and we have down. But if this condition is true, what order should be triggered? That we have to select now. Now we have selected the condition. So our condition we have included in the workflow. But when Nifty is crossing 915 to 935 range upside, what order should be executed? When it is crossing downside, what order should be executed? For that, you have to go into actions. In actions, you have a place order. You can click on place any order. So I will drag this here. Now again, I will click on this blue dot. I will link to this here. Okay. Now I am clicking on edit, and here you will see order type. You have options order, you have futures order, you have simple order. Simple order is for buying stocks. So we cannot buy Nifty. So we have to buy futures, either we have to buy in option. So I am selecting futures. Okay. Here underlying asset, what asset I am selecting? Nifty 50. Nifty 50 index I am selecting. Now the buy, I'm going to select the buy because here when it goes up, I wanted to buy future. So overnight intraday. I am selecting intraday because this is my intraday strategy. I will select intraday. In case if yours is an overnight strategy, I mean, if you wanted to carry forward the positions, you can select overnight. For me, I'm selecting intraday. How many lots? My lot size is one lot. I wanted to buy one future. Here you will see near month, next month, far month. Near month in the sense the current month future it is going to buy. Here you can set your target. My target is 66 points. Okay, and I can select my stop loss as 33 points. Okay, either I can select here 1 is to 2. If I see, I can select 99. My target points is 99 and my stop loss is 33 points. And I can also select trailing stop loss. If the symbol moves by 66 points, so I wanted to bring my stop loss to break even. So when it goes to 1 is to 2, I wanted to bring my stop loss to break even. So trailing stop loss points is 66. Okay, when symbol moves by 66 points, my stop loss will move by 33 points. Now I'm clicking on apply. So now when this condition is true, when Nifty is crossing the range upside, this order will get executed. I'm copying this. So instead of me clicking on another place any order, I will just copy this. Inside this, I will go, instead of buy now, what I will do, I will click on sell. If this confuses you, I can come back, delete this, confirm. I'll go here, click on place order. Okay. Again, I will link to this. Now this is my down condition. When it crosses the range downside, what order should I trigger? I should trigger sell future. I will go into edit. Here I will select future, and here I will select Nifty 50. So here instead of buy, I will select sell, and here intraday, near month, I wanted to execute current month. Again, I will select target 99 points and my stop loss 33 points and trailing stop loss. If it goes 66 points below Nifty, then my trailing stop loss should jump 33 points. I will click on apply. Now we have successfully created the workflow. At 9:15, this workflow is good. If you click on start, this workflow is going to schedule, and at 9:15 it is going to trigger. And if any of this condition is true, suppose if Nifty is crossing the range upside, one future is it is going to buy one future of current month. If Nifty is crossing that range downside, it is going to buy one future of current month. It is going to sell one future of current month. Now, till when I wanted this order to be, this workflow should be running. Okay, till what time it should see this condition. Okay, I can select that as well. So I can go into triggers. Here you can see wait time, wait duration. Triggers once the set duration has passed, trigger when the set time is reached. So I will select this trigger. I'll go into edit. Here wait till 3 p.m. I'm giving 03, sorry, 3 p.m. I'm giving wait till 3 p.m. Okay, I'll click on apply. So again, I will drag this, I will link to it. After 3 p.m., what should happen? All the orders, I mean, whatever orders that got executed using this workflow should be squared off. For that, what I will do, I will go into actions, and here you will see square off automation positions, or square off all positions, square off positions by segment, square off option positions, square off commodity, NSC, or square off all intraday positions. But I wanted to square off only positions which are triggered using this automation. So I will select this square off automations. So I will come here. Again, I will link to this. I will click on edit. Now square off automation positions. Whatever positions that got triggered, those positions will get squared off after 3 p.m. Click on apply. So now you have created the complete workflow. Only thing what you have to do is you have to click on start to run my automation after checking for errors. So if I click on start, you can give your name Nifty range breakout automation. So you can give whatever description you wanted to give, you can give, click on proceed. So now start automation. I'm clicking on confirm. So now my automation has started. So at 9:15, it is going to check for these conditions. If any of these condition is true, it is going to place that order. After 3 p.m., it is going to square off my positions. So this is how, in a simple way, without now you don't need to go and look at the charts. You know your strategy, you have created your workflow, and system will take care of itself. Again, automation is subject to risk, so please follow rules and regulations when you are doing automation. Again, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I am not giving any buy sell recommendations here. Okay, so this is how the simple way you can do a automation on Fyers. Like this, you can do any kind of automations using Fyers. Still, they are bringing many other features. So if you see, still they are bringing many other features in Fyers. When I click on create automation, you will see indicators coming soon. You can also create your automation based on indicators, your RSI, your moving averages, your MACD, all these things. Based on this, you can Bollinger Bands, all these things. Based on this, you can start creating your automations using Fyers. If RSI is above 30 and you have a volume in that candle on day time frame, and if you wanted to trigger your buy order on that particular stock, you can create an automation for such. If RSI is below 70 and you are seeing a good sell volume in that stock on the daily candle, if you wanted to sell that stock using options or futures, you can create that automation also using Fyers. So all these are still coming on the Fyers. So they are coming soon on the indicators. But apart from indicators, if you wanted to trigger your automation based on webhook using TradingView or charting, any of those, you can still trigger that. And there are many other price breakout, range breakout. You can just go and check all these automations, and you can also comment in the channel. So under this video, next what kind of automations you are looking. If you have any strategy in mind, and if you want me to build that automation based on your strategy, just comment in the comment section under this video. So I will try to create those automation videos for you. Hope this video will help you in automating your trades, but be careful when you are doing any kind of automations. Thank you everyone for watching this video.